Hello friends, welcome to this session of discussing Center of Excellence Pharma 4. This is what is our new project on which we are working is adoption of emerging technologies to achieve digital supply chain and Pharma 4. The three key ingredients are creativity, innovation and passion, which is going to drive this whole project to a success. The controlling part about the three circles which you are seeing it as a center is going to get a center of excellence which will drive to Pharma 4. Now, what is our background? What is this RESPA? RESPA is actually a complete enterprise application which is requirement, estimation, scheduling, production, and analytics. And we are working on to this for more than 30 years. And these trademarks and copyrights are with us at Achieve Pharma Systems Private Limited, and they are valid till 2029. We have worked with more than 30 customers and helped them to achieve the operational excellence by adopting the technology. Now we have taken up a break and we are now working about how this knowledge base can be converted onto new technology, which as we all know, it's driving the digital transformation and can support the Pharma 4 requirements. Our company is till date is a self-funded, and now we are really looking for a global partners and network to build this new vision. What is our vision? Our vision is to develop a platform which is a SaaS based, like software as a service or a platform as a service, and that will support these emerging technologies and Pharma 4 requirements. As discussed earlier, we are looking at it for three main ingredients. The first one is creativity. Every operations into manufacturing organization or a supply chain has got a process which we want to make it a digital process by adopting a creativity so that it becomes easy for a user to achieve it, and then the data sharing throughout the organization can help to support the new requirements. The next one is innovation. As the business processes are evolving and changing continuously, the customers' expectations and regulatory requirements are also changing. We are really looking to build an innovation which will help to simplify these processes and adopt to these new technologies, which will assure the customer, like in the pharma case, it is the patient, who will get the right product, right quality, right quantity at the right price and the right time. Our creativity and innovation has got a next step is a passion. The passion is, of course, is a long process, and that is going to connect all those various activities which are there in the supply chain and assure patient a good product quality with a profit optimization for the company. And that is what is the digital transformation which we are visualizing. Creativity, innovation, and passion, when work together, will build a center of excellence. That's the concept on which we are working this entire project. The center of excellence will drive the new industry 4 and Pharma 4 requirement and achieve business excellence. Now, looking at it, our business canvas, what we are planning, what we are going to do it. The life science has got challenges about increasing competition, increasing the regulatory requirement, complex supply chain management, the resources required to run the business and then the documentation. And of course, most important thing is cybersecurity. Our last 30 years experience with 500 years man years which we have invested into knowledge base is helping us to design this domain specific solution for a life science and regulatory industry. What we are planning over here is a modular solution which for a customer will be on a pay and use basis and will support 4 levels of the technology like cloud, IoT, that is Internet of Things, AI, that is artificial intelligence, and finally the blockchain, which will drive to Pharma 4. Our knowledge base will help the global mid-sized customers so that they get a ready solution which can be adopted quickly, and then customer, instead of investing a lot of time and effort, can start getting the desired benefit. We are targeting the customer market, which is a small mid-size, where the requirements are more complex, and objective is to partner with the customer on a long-term basis and offer the complete services, like what we put it as a holistic solution, is people, processes, and technology, which will help customer to get a expected desired results. Here we are really looking for building up a team network locally as well as globally, which will contribute the domain, technology, ecosystem, and finally the funding. And that is how we will drive this solution in a global market. This is where the expertise of the different team members will contribute it, and we will achieve success. So we are looking for building up a local and global network. Feel free to contact me if you need any more inputs. Thank you. Bye.